In this video, you'll learn how to log out of all devices on Perplexity AI. This process ensures that your account remains secure by disconnecting any active sessions across multiple devices. Begin by opening the Perplexity AI application on your device. Once the application is fully loaded, you will be presented with the main interface where various features are accessible. Next, locate the profile icon situated in the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon typically represents your account and will lead you to account-related settings. Click on this icon to proceed. After you click on the profile icon, a menu will appear revealing several options. From this menu, select all settings. This will direct you to a comprehensive settings page where you can manage your account preferences. Once you are on the All Settings page, look for the Account section, click on Account to access specific account settings and options related to your profile. Scroll down the page until you find the option labeled Sign Out of All Sessions. This is an important step for ensuring that your account is logged out from all devices. Click on this option to initiate the logout process. After clicking Sign Out of All Sessions, a confirmation prompt will appear asking you to verify your action. Carefully read this prompt to ensure you are ready to proceed. Confirm the action to log out of all devices. Following the confirmation, you should receive a notification indicating that you have successfully signed out of all sessions. This confirmation ensures that your account is now secure and no longer accessible from other devices.